Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by opening the Word document where it lives. This matters because cloud files may need syncing. Once done, make sure you have Microsoft Word or a trusted converter app installed. The app handles formatting and embedded objects. Also, check storage and network. If the file is large, syncing prevents missing images. If using OneDrive or Google Drive, tap to download the latest version, so the conversion uses the current content rather than an offline copy. Next, export the document to PDF inside the app because that preserves layout and fonts. In Word, tap the menu or File, choose Export or Share, then create PDF. This embeds fonts and flattens layout. Alternatively, use the print function and select Save as PDF or a PDF app as the printer. That route is useful when only a print profile is available. Make sure to preview pages if headers or images shift. Adjust settings or page size before finalizing. Finally, save the new PDF to your chosen location and give it a clear name so you can find it later. Then share it directly from the app or upload to cloud storage. Double-check permissions so recipients can open it. If the PDF looks wrong, images missing, fonts changed, try exporting again with a different page size or embed fonts option, or use a desktop converter as a fallback. If sync issues appear, re-download the original Word file and repeat the export.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.